Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out a pellet grill that's becoming incredibly popular among backyard BBQ fans, the Pit Boss 500FB2 Pellet Grill in matte black. If you want wood-fired flavor, reliable performance, and a large cooking area without spending premium luxury grill prices, this grill deserves your attention. The Pit Boss 500FB2 is designed for people who love authentic smoky BBQ flavor but also want easy temperature control and modern convenience. Instead of charcoal or propane, this grill uses hardwood pellets to create consistent heat and rich smoke flavor that transforms ordinary meals into restaurant-style BBQ. One of the first things you'll notice is the clean matte black design. It has a rugged outdoor appearance that feels durable and professional while still fitting nicely on patios, decks, or backyard cooking setups. The heavy-duty construction gives it a solid feel, making it suitable for regular grilling sessions throughout the year. Cooking space is another major advantage here. The Pit Boss 500FB2 offers enough room to cook multiple burgers, racks of ribs, chicken, vegetables, steaks, and more all at the same time. Whether you're preparing food for family dinners, game nights, or weekend cookouts, this grill gives you flexibility without feeling cramped. What makes pellet grills so popular is their simplicity, and the Pit Boss system keeps things beginner-friendly. The digital control board allows you to set and maintain temperatures with less effort compared to traditional charcoal grilling. You get steady heat distribution while the hardwood pellets continuously feed into the fire pot automatically. One feature many BBQ fans appreciate is the direct flame grilling capability. This allows you to switch between indirect smoking and direct heat searing, helping create beautiful grill marks and better texture on steaks or burgers. That versatility makes the Pit Boss 500FB2 useful for both slow-smoked BBQ and everyday grilling. The hopper system also helps support longer cooking sessions without needing constant pellet refills. This becomes especially useful during low and slow smoking sessions for brisket, pulled pork, or ribs where maintaining stable temperatures is extremely important. Another strong point is the wood-fired flavor customization. You can experiment with different pellet types like hickory, mesquite, applewood, or cherry to create different flavor profiles depending on the food you're cooking. That's something gas grills simply can't replicate. Overall, the Pit Boss 500FB2 delivers a fantastic balance between affordability, cooking performance, wood-fired flavor, and grilling versatility. It's an excellent choice for beginners entering the pellet grill world or experienced grillers wanting reliable outdoor cooking performance. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more outdoor cooking and tech reviews here on Gadgetverse. And if you want to check out the Pit Boss 500FB2 for yourself, the Amazon link is waiting in the description below.